Let's start by answering the first question. Most people prefer to shift the responsibility for their health to genetics. However, according to research, the effect of genetics is only 10%. A much more important role is played by lifestyle and, first and foremost, nutrition. Millions of different processes take place in our bodies. To make sure our bodies function correctly, we need the right nutrients. Health and disease are settled on the level of millions of cells in our bodies on a daily basis. What is particularly important is that every minute 2 million cells die in our body and 2 million of new ones are produced to replace them. It is necessary to provide proper nutrients for the correct functioning of these cells. While in general, proteins, carbohydrates and fats are usually delivered in appropriate quantities, and sometimes even in excess, we supply our bodies with far too few vitamins, minerals and trace elements. Our cells are particularly threatened by free radicals these days.
Your health is under constant attack from free radicals, which cause oxidative stress. Hectic workaday lifestyles combined with increased levels of pollution and UV radiation from the sun, as well as poor health practices like smoking, higher BMIs, and lack of sleep all increase the number of free radicals that your body has to contend with. Free radicals are rogue molecules that steal electrons from healthy, stable molecules. This theft damages and can even kill the cells of your body. As this damage accumulates, your health and wellness suffer. To win this health battle with free radicals, your body needs antioxidants. Antioxidants render free radicals harmless, helping to prevent oxidative damage, which can accelerate the aging process and contribute to the development of different diseases. Your body can produce some antioxidants, but it relies primarily on your diet to get the antioxidants it needs. Eating vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables provides your body with powerful phytonutrients and antioxidants such as carotenoids and flavonoids. Yet, despite the importance of antioxidants to health and wellness, most people just don't eat enough fruits and vegetables to build up a strong antioxidant defense.
Free radicals are particles that contain one unpaired electron in the outer shell. When a free radical attacks the nucleus of the cell, it may lead to DNA mutations that can initiate cancer. When fat cells are oxidized, the level of bad LDL cholesterol increases, which may facilitate atherosclerotic processes. Free radicals also cause damage to sperm, nerve tissue, decrease immune system efficiency, and accelerate the aging process. The only way to protect oneself against free radicals are antioxidants, which can neutralize them. The source of nutrients and antioxidants are compounds contained in fruits and vegetables, the so-called phytonutrients. A very important issue is the fact that these compounds reside in our body for only 3 to 6 hours. Ask yourself, have you provided your newly created cells with essential nutrients today? Human body cannot store phytonutrients. That is why the World Health Organization recommends eating at least 5 servings of fruit and vegetables every day, every 3 to 4 hours. Which leads us to a question. How did our parents and grandparents live when there were no such products? Is it enough nowadays to follow the WHO recommendations in order to be healthy? Tests carried out periodically in Switzerland have shown that the nutrient content in fruit and vegetables has fallen dramatically over the past 20 years. An absolute record holder is a banana, which has lost 95% of vitamin B6. What it means is that if your grandfather ate 1 banana in 1985, now you have to eat at least 20 of them. Root vegetables have lost 75% of magnesium. What is the reason for that? The reason is very simple. It's been a long time since we stopped growing fruit and vegetables, which are now produced on a mass scale. It's quantity, not quality, that counts.
Cancer rates going up, heart disease going up, stroke going up.
We're poisoning ourselves with highly processed, nutrient-depleted foods.
One of the major problems is what we do to the soil and the air and the water and everything we take in our food.
We, for whatever reason, decided we're going to spray everything with every kind of pesticide, herbicide, larvicide, fungicide. We decided we're going to genetically modify things we don't know anything about. Can we actually improve what has already been created? And the answer is maybe, but not the way we've been doing it.
If you want to know what's wrong, look down at the table. It's staring back at you.
Think of it as chronic malnutrition, because that's what's going on. There is a lot more turning to alternatives, because what's being done beforehand doesn't work.
There is no magic bullet, but there is a lifestyle change that reverses serious chronic disease. It's cheap, it's simple, it's safe, it's effective.
The solutions are here. They've always been here. Every single person in the world, every culture, every language, every person in the world knows it. You are what you eat. Food does matter.
It's a choice. You don't have to be sick.
In the shop, we usually pay for the perfect appearance and weight. No one knows how genetic modifications will affect your and your children's health in the long run. These diagrams show the dependence between the changed content of nutrients in fruit and vegetables and deaths caused by modern age diseases. As the nutrient content in fruit and vegetables decreased, there has been a significant increase in deaths due to modern age diseases. Our bodies have not developed a system which would warn us against danger. Only awareness and proper understanding of the problem can save us. You have a simple choice. If you do not want to be a victim of statistics, you should begin to feed your body right. Already 2,500 years ago, Hippocrates said, "Let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food." That is exactly what Monavie has to offer.